Hello, friends. Welcome to a journey that will open the doors of your mind. Have you ever wondered why we are alive? What is the real meaning of life? And is the world the way it seems, or is there something hidden beneath? If you've ever had such questions in your mind, then you're in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that has been a favorite of the world's most intelligent people: philosophy. Let's begin with this mind-bending topic. In today's video, we are going to talk about a subject that sounds complicated but is actually a part of every person's life, and that is philosophy. You may have heard this before: people who study philosophy are just thinkers, they don't care about the practical world. But is that really true? Is philosophy just limited to books? In today's video, we will understand what philosophy is, where it originated, why it is important, and how it can change your life. Let's start by understanding the meaning of philosophy. The word philosophy comes from two Greek words: philo, which means love, and sophia, which means wisdom. So, it literally means love of wisdom. But this is not just bookish knowledge. It's an attempt to find answers to life's big questions. Questions like: who am I? What is the truth? What is the real meaning of good and bad? What is the purpose of my life? You must have felt these questions arise in your mind at some point. When you feel alone, when life feels meaningless, when you're at a difficult decision point, you are doing philosophy without even realizing it. Philosophy has two major traditions: Western philosophy and Eastern philosophy. Each tradition offers its own set of teachings, principles, and perspectives on life. Western philosophy. In Western philosophy, we recognize great thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. These thinkers laid the foundation of much of the philosophy we study today. Socrates, for instance, said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." This famous quote suggests that questioning and reflecting on our own lives is essential to truly live. Plato, another great philosopher, said that what we see in the world is just a shadow, the real reality lies behind it. In his allegory of the cave, he explained how people can be trapped in a false perception of reality. Aristotle, Plato's student, explored logic, science, and ethics. His ideas on ethics and morality are still taught today in many schools. Eastern philosophy. Now, let's talk about Eastern or Indian philosophy. Here, we meet great philosophers like Buddha, Mahavir, Adi Shankaracharya, and Ved Vyas. Buddha's teachings, primarily centered around suffering, led him to discover the Four Noble Truths and the path to overcoming suffering. He taught us that life is full of suffering, but we can achieve peace by eliminating desires. Adi Shankaracharya gave us Advait Vedant, which explains that the soul, Atman, and the ultimate reality, Brahman, are one and the same. Mahavir, the founder of Jainism, taught us the principles of ahimsa, non-violence, and aparigraha, non-possessiveness. The knowledge that Krishna gave to Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita is also a rich source of philosophical guidance, covering topics of duty, dharma, morality, and the self. You'll notice that in every culture, every civilization, people have used philosophy to find answers to life's questions. Whether it's the Greeks, the Indians, the Chinese, or even ancient Egyptians, they all turned to philosophy to understand the world and their existence. Philosophy helps answer fundamental questions that humans have been asking for centuries. What is the nature of reality? Why do we suffer, and how can we overcome it? What is the meaning of life? Philosophy is about asking questions and searching for answers. It's not about knowing everything, it's about understanding the limitations of what we know and striving to know more. Now, the question arises: what role does philosophy play in today's time? Is it just an old thing, or does it still have relevance? You might think that in a world of technology and fast-paced living, philosophy has little use. But let me tell you, philosophy is more relevant today than ever. Think about it, when you are at a difficult decision point, when you need to understand what's right and what's wrong, you use ethical thinking. Philosophy helps you think about consequences and make choices that align with your values. When you think about the definition of success, or what true happiness means, you are engaging in philosophical thinking. These are the core principles of existentialism and humanism. When you are going through a loss or grief and trying to find meaning in it, you are getting help from philosophy. This is where Stoicism comes in. Stoic thinkers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca said that we can control our thoughts, but not the circumstances. Control what you can, accept what you can't. This thought helps us deal with anxiety and stress. We live in a world where external factors often overwhelm us, but philosophy teaches us that we can control our internal responses. Stoicism teaches us resilience to maintain inner peace despite external chaos. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna tells Arjuna, "Do your duty, but do not worry about the results." This too is a highly philosophical and practical piece of advice, and it's something that every student, every professional, and every person who wants to lead a peaceful life needs today. The Gita teaches us to focus on the action, not the outcome. This mindset helps reduce anxiety and stress and allows us to stay focused on the process rather than becoming overwhelmed by the fear of results. Even in today's world, people are showing interest in philosophical topics. On YouTube, in podcasts, and on Instagram Reels, people are exploring concepts like Stoicism, existentialism, and mindfulness. Why? Because all of these concepts are directly related to our real emotional and mental struggles. They provide us with practical tools to manage stress, improve relationships, and lead a more fulfilling life. Philosophy teaches us critical thinking, meaning to question everything, not blindly follow. This skill is incredibly important in today's age of fake news, social media manipulation, and information overload. Philosophy teaches us how to discern truth from falsehood, how to analyze arguments, and how to approach problems logically. In today's world, this skill is invaluable. Philosophy also teaches us patience. It helps us understand other perspectives and be more empathetic towards others. We live in a world where people are often quick to judge, but philosophy teaches us to slow down, reflect, and see things from a different viewpoint. It helps us understand our life on a deeper level and find meaning in every experience, whether good or bad. So, if you're wondering what the benefit of studying philosophy is, the answer is this: it makes you a better thinker, a better human, and a better decision maker. Philosophy pushes us to think beyond our immediate desires and fears and helps us find clarity in a world that is often filled with noise and confusion. I invite you to join me on this philosophy journey. Every day, we will explore new concepts from Stoicism to Vedanta, from Socratic questioning to existential therapy. This channel is not just for theory, it's an attempt to make our lives a little more meaningful. Philosophy doesn't just sit in books, it is meant to be lived and applied. So friends, today's journey ends here, but the journey of thoughts and questions has just begun. If you feel like you've learned something new or thought about something new, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we will understand the life of Socrates and his unique thoughts. Until then, keep thinking, because it's the questions that make us human. Thank you, and see you in the next video.